Hi everyone, this is a tutorial on how to put the base of the blue butterfly folio together. So you can separate out, you'll need the 4 squares for the base and the 2 halves of the butterfly. One of the squares has a tab, so you'll just put the glue on the tab and glue those 2 squares together. This is the outside of your base. And then fold each side into the middle like that. You could glue all of the pieces together and then fold them, but I found that folding works better. So this is the inside. You can see that I'm leaving a edge unglued, and that'll be your outside edge. Make sure you do not glue the outside edge down because that's where we're going to put our butterfly. If it's a little off, you can trim it up. You can see where I got a little trim. See there? That's where our opening is. So we'll fold the tabs down on our butterfly, and then we'll stick our butterfly into the opening. And you just put it where you like it. Like, it kind of, it fits pretty much in the middle, but you could move it up and down just like a tad bit. And then you want to glue the front and the back down. And then the other side. So make sure they match up, and then glue the other side down. You definitely want to make sure they match up first. Don't just stick the other side in there and glue it down. And then we have our butterfly. Again, glue the back, and that's all there is to making the base of this folio. Then you can decorate it.